Good morning students. Today we will discuss number one neutral materials and second one salts. So look over at first ions. What do you mean by ions? You know all the materials made up by small particles and these small particles are called as atoms. And these atoms may contain charges. If these atoms do not contain any charge, these are neutral. If they contain charge, atoms or a group of atoms or a group of atoms, if having a charge known as ions. What do you mean by ions? An atom or a group of atom which having charge known as ions. If they do not have any charge, known as neutral, but they have any charge, known as just ions. Ions may be examples. Ion may be atoms, charged atoms, single atom, hydrogen, single atom having positive charge, hydrogen ion, sodium, positive charge, single charge, sodium ion, potassium ion, hydrogen ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, magnesium having 2 plus 2 charge, so magnesium is known as magnesium ion, calcium plus 2 charge. Got it? Now look, calcium ion Ca2. Now look over here, negative ions. These are the positive ion, hydrogen ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, magnesium ion and calcium ions. Now negative ions, hydroxyl ion, OH minus, hydroxyl ion, oxygen, hydrogen, both combined. That's why a group of atom, 2 atoms are there, hydrogen and oxygen. It contains negative charge, hydroxyl ion, chloride ions, Cl minus 1, chloride ion, chlorine, chloride, bromine, bromide ion, oxygen, oxide ion, O minus 2, oxide ion, carbonate, CO3 minus 2, carbonate ions, hydroxyl ion, chloride ion, bromide ion, oxide ion and carbonate ions. Now look over here. We know well that acids, when dissolved in water, they release hydrogen ions. Acids, when they aid in the water, they release hydrogen ions. Bases, on release in water, they release hydroxyl ions. Acids, hydrogen ion, bases, hydroxyl ions. The properties of the acids. Why? Due to presence of hydrogen ion. Bases, due to presence of hydroxyl ions. But what about there is no charge, no ions are there? If there is no ions, such kind of the material are known as neutral materials, neutral substances. Neutral substances may be solid. Solid example, common salt, sugar, glucose. These are examples of the neutral solids. Maybe neutral liquids. Neutral liquids, water, petrol, diesel, kerosene. क्या क्या हो गए? Water, petrol, diesel, kerosene and some special chemicals like benzene and ether. benzene and ether. Mustard oil, all kind of the oils are neutral in nature. So water, petrol, diesel, kerosene, benzene, ether, all kind of the oils. Now neutral gases. Neutral gases: oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. These are the neutral gases. Got it? Now look, salt. We have discussed earlier that the acids produce hydrogen ions and bases produce hydroxyl ions. Got it? When an acid react with the base, their combination, and by the combination between acid and base, they produce a product, and this product is called as salt. So salt is a compound made up of two ions, cations, positive ion come from the acid, anions, negative ion come from the base. So a compound made up of two ions, positive ions and negative ions, acidic part and basic part, is called as salt. Or in other words, we can say the product of reaction between the complete reaction between the acid and base is known as salt. Now look over here. When acid, hydrochloric acid. When an acid, suppose hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl is the hydrochloric acid. When this hydrochloric acid react with the sodium hydroxide, acid will release hydrogen ion, base will release hydroxyl ion. They combine together and form the water. They neutralize to each other. When acid react with the base, they neutralize to each other and they react completely and neutralize the effect of one another. Now the solution, now the result product will not acidic or nor basic. So when they completely neutralize to one another, this reaction is known as, what are the product? NaCl, sodium chloride, that is known as common salt, plus water, and this reaction is known as neutralization. Now you know well, जब दो बड़े बड़े लोग आपस में टकराएंगे तो क्या होगा? बहुत सारी कहीं पर खून खराबा हो गई थी. It will release large amount of the heat. So right over here, heat. So what is the neutralization reaction? How will you define it? The process in which an acid react with the base completely to neutralize their effect, and as a result salt and water are released along with some of the heat. Now look, applications of the neutralization reactions. There are a number of the applications. Look over here. When red ants sting us, काट लेती है, honey bees sting us, then we use the soap solution. What we use? Soap solution or calamine solution When the honey bees sting to us, because they inject an acid in our body, it causes burning sensation. In this case, when we use soap solution or soda solution, you can say, or calamine solution, it neutralizes the effect of sting acidic sting of the honeybees, red ants, but the wasp, tataya, the wasp sting is basic in nature. The wasp sting is basic in nature. Wasp sting is basic in nature, so we put some vinegar over here. At the biting place, we put some vinegar. Vinegar will neutralize the effect of wasp sting, and it will not cause any swelling, or it give us relief from the pain. Like this, you know well, we add quick lime, slaked lime in the soil. In which soil? The acidic soil. Acidic soil to neutralize the acidity, to increase the fertility, we add the calamine, quick lime to remove the acidity of the soil. Properties of salts. Salts are soluble in water. Salts are soluble in water. They are, when they dissolve in water, the solution become good conductor of electricity. So they used to make the solution to make the good conductor of electricity. Next one, salts having tendency, some salts having tendency to absorb moisture from the atmosphere, like the common salt. This is the rainy season, as you observing over here. If the salt left open, it will absorb the moisture. Next one, the salts having high melting point and high boiling points. Now, usage of the salts. Salts are used for different purposes in our body. There are a number of salts are also there. So we eat sodium chloride, common salt. This common sodium chloride is used to maintain our blood pressure. For our different works, there are some other salts are also in our body we use, like the calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, sulfate, bicarbonate, phosphates, calcium of the calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, right? So in this way, in our body, there are a number of the salts are used. In our bones, calcium phosphates, bones are made up of calcium phosphate. In course of the discussion of the salts, some salts are used in our body. Common salt, sodium chloride to maintain our body blood pressure. Some of the salts to make our bones stronger. Some of the acid salts are used to synthesize hydrochloric acid, caustic soda, washing soda, right? Like this. Some of the salts are used to manufacturing soap. Some of the salts like washing soda and a salt made by the sulfuric acid and washing soda reaction. This salt is used to produce carbon dioxide as a result, so to extinguish the fire. Some salts are used to prepare the glass and cement. One another use POP, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used to make our false ceilings and also around the broken bones. We make the plaster. Got it?